Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Now, today we're actually talking about Bitcoin Cash. We're going to be doing an update of what is the price doing and where it's going to go and what needs to happen for it to bounce back up. First of all, Bitcoin, right? If the thing is Bitcoin dies and crashes and we were all wrong, obviously every other coin is going to crash. But other than that, let's just look at the technical analysis. Okay, so first off, we can tell right away that there we go. Here, boom, we had a bang up, right? This accumulation, we broke out of it. We went down, we are going sideways, accumulating more, and then we had another push up. Okay, fantastic. But what is happening now? Well, if we actually break it down, you can see that we are going into this 2-week order block, which makes me really believe that the reversal is going to be happening. I still believe Bitcoin is going to be going up overall. So for me, Bitcoin Cash, the lowest it should go is pretty much 300 to 280 at most. Now, we don't have confirmation just yet that we are in a reversal because as you can tell, there is lots of resistance here, but there's also lots of support here, right? So what do we have to do? Well, we have to, for one, break above this, as this is kind of a key area. And once we do that, we have to kind of break above this blocky area, or at least be sideways for a higher confirmation, right? Because if we're sideways, then we're kind of create a reverse head and shoulders, which is usually one of the most common patterns to be like, hey, we are reversing. All right, so what we want to see is Bitcoin Cash head up to about $370 to $400, kind of just go sideways. And then the ultimate confirmation would be, hey, we break out of here. Once we do that, well, it's actually very simple and easy. Would be looking to go back into this weekly order block candle here, and then would probably go back down, retest something like this, and would continue making our way up. Now, overall, do I think it's a good time to buy? Yes. Because the thing is, I don't care if I buy at 350, at 320, at 300, at 370. I believe that it is, if you believe the price is good, you just simply buy it. I prefer dollar cost averaging around a good to amazing price than to try to be that person that stresses out about a specific area. Now, if I did want to, get into this 2-week order block, right, I could have had an order right here at 297, or let's just say $300, right? I could have had, maybe $2,000 goes in here. But then over the course, of everything happening and everything playing out, I could have been buying here, 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 whatever, right? Because the thing is, yes, of course we want to get the cheapest discount, but you got to remember the hardest thing about this game is not necessarily buying at the lowest point, it's actually selling near the tops or just selling in general. A lot of people do not sell, and a lot of people wait to sell their bag when a lot of profits are gone or they're back in negatives. So now here's the thing. We do have some imbalance here, but I don't think we'd go below it, because if we did, then we are in deep trouble, because it simply breaks too much market structure. Okay, it simply breaks too much market structure. This area is a big area. So if we were to go under this area, then I'd actually be scared. And I mean, Bitcoin would be already probably in its 40,000s or 30,000s. So that is not ideal. However, I do think overall we are in the clear. Now, I did say in the last video that Bitcoin, we are relying on some news that came out today, and overall inflation came out and it's not looking good, especially for the Americans, which is perfect for us because we don't want inflation to look good, because we want people to be investing in assets like Bitcoin. We can look at gold, right? Gold shot up a large amount today, a very large amount, right? You can tell at 8:15 it was around, let's say, 2380, and then 15 minutes later it was at 2407. So it shot up a lot. So anyways, guys, that is my thing for Bitcoin today, or Bitcoin Cash. And I'll talk to you guys next time.